Welcome to the Draw with Fun. Let's play together. 3, 2, 1. Start. I guide you step by step. So, grab your pencils and markers and let's get drawing together.
Draw, draw, draw today. Draw with fun, we laugh and play. Red and blue, yellow, green, make the world a happy scene. A smiling sun with a golden glow. Happy flowers all in a row. Cute little puppy wagging his tail. Drawing together we can't fail. Draw, draw, draw today. Draw with fun, we laugh and play. Red and blue, yellow, green, make the world a happy scene. A smiling sun with a golden glow. Happy flowers all in a row. Cute little puppy wagging his tail. Drawing together we can't fail. Draw, draw, draw today. Draw with fun, we laugh and play. Red and blue, yellow, green, make the world a happy scene.
Remember, you can choose any colors you like. Make it your own.
Drawing pictures is so sweet. Every page a brand new start. Made with love and lots of heart. Stars that twinkle in the night. Rainbows shining oh so bright. Castles, clouds, and balloons that fly.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss out on new adorable drawings. If you enjoyed drawing with me today, please give this video a big thumbs up. Your support means so much and helps me create more fun and easy tutorials.
Draw,